Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel techCodio. My name is Bharat Kumar. So guys, it is the episode number 3 on the Gemini series. So guys, in the previous video, we did project on document processing. Got it? So if you haven't watched this video, please go and watch it out. I'll leave a link in the I button. So guys, before moving forward, I'm requesting you, please hit that like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. So basically, today we are going to work on vision. In the vision, we have two projects, image and video. We are going to focus on mainly images only. Got it? In the next video, episode number 4, we are going to do project on video. So guys, are you ready? Let's begin. So guys, in the first video also, I have shown you this research paper. So according to this research paper, let's see. This 1.5 model can access up to 10 hours of video content. It is equivalent to 9.9 million tokens. And then coming to the audio, we can give up to 107 hours of audio content. And it is equivalent to 9.7 million tokens. And text up to 7 million words, 10 million tokens. This is the results that they are giving for this model. We can say it is multi-model, which can work on image, video, audio and text. Got it? So here you can see they are representing green color is success retrieval and red color is unsuccessful retriever. So there is no red color in video and audio. Coming to the text only, I can see only 3 dots. When it increase 512k tokens, then it is facing a bit trouble to unsuccessful retriever. So coming to the millions also, after 2 millions, we got here 2. After 2 million, after crossing 2 million tokens, we got 2 boxes here. I mean 2 unsuccessful retrievals. Okay, and then let's see. Here you can see guys, it is a 1.5 Pro which was released in February, but we are using currently the model released in May, improved version for this 1.5 Pro. So comparing to 1.0 Pro, it is not performing well because you can see here for the core capabilities it got highest rate. For the text, for the vision also. Only for the audio it is performing well, but remaining 1.0 is performing well. Improved version, after 3 months they released improved version 1.5 Pro. Here you can see it is the results of 1.5 Pro. This light blue color is for the 1.5 Pro released in February and this is released in May. So you can see in all these benchmarks it is performing better than previous version. Got it? So that's why we have chosen this 1.5 Pro. And then let's see the model architecture. This Pro is a sparse mixture of expert transformer based model built on Gemini 1.5 Pro. And then coming to the 1.5 Flash, it is a transformer decoder model with the same 2 million plus token and multi-model capabilities as Pro. The thing is they used TPUs. Got it? So why they released Flash means it can give response faster than Pro. But coming to the accuracy, Pro is more accurate than Flash. So here we are going to compare with the 1.0 Pro Ultra Flash and 1.5 Pro which is released in May. So guys, you can see for all these capabilities, approximately 80% 1.5 Pro is performing better. Only for the document, multi-page document understanding, 48. I mean Flash is working. So if you want to give multiple documents, then use the Flash. In the last video we used 1.5 Pro I think. So use the Flash if you want to require this. So guys, based on this benchmark, choose your own model. So guys, it is a good practice. So when you come to the research paper and read and what you are going to work, then implement. So you will get high success rate. Got it? For the natural images also. So because we are going to test all this kind of 5 set of images to test with these models. Got it? Coming to the vision, as I told you, we'll work on image and video. So this video is completely dedicated to the images only. The Gemini 1.5 Pro and Flash supports maximum of 3600 image files at a time. At a time you can give only these many images, right? So these are the image formats: PNG, JPEG, WebP, HEIC and HEIF. On these 5 types of images, you can able to give it to the model and then you can able to ask questions based on these images. Got it? So each image is equivalent to 158 tokens. So when you pass an image, it will convert to numerics and then those numerics are considered as 528 tokens. So guys, if you have any understanding in the CNN, then you can able to understand these images, how these images are converting into numerics, and then how it is going to the model. So if you have understanding about the deep learning a bit, or else if you can remember the deep learning concept, then it is easy to understand. Got it? Just putting an image, converting it to the numericals, and then extracting the information from that images and then giving it to the model, so the model can able to give the results. Got it? So Google is offering in 4 languages. We can able to write code in Python, Node.js, Go and Rest. But our base language is Python. Model working. So when you give input as an image, you'll get output as a text. You won't get output as image, video and audio. This model is built on multi-model. Output you get only text format. Got it? So guys, same. 1 second. I need to give you one package. You need to import this package. Do this. pip install -q google -generative AI. So then only we can call model. So coming to the API key, as I told you in the previous video, just go to the Google API, create new API on the project, and then take that key, create a .env file like this. In that paste this one equal to, and then your key. Got it? Simply right? I think you are following my previous videos also, so that's why I'm not telling how to create API. So then after installing, you need to import this package. These two OS and .env are helping to get the API key from this .env. So when we create this .env, so no one can see your Google API key, only I can see. Got it? So that's why it is only for the security purpose, or else you can give directly here also your API key, and then you can able to access it, no problem. Now these are the parameters of the model. Temperature is only for the randomness, adding randomness. Top P, probability, so it will get up to the 80% of probable words to give the answer, and then it is the top K, similarity of the words, and then maximum token. You can get this much of tokens as an output. Here initialize a object or variable equal to generative AI dot generative AI model, and then model name equal to 1.5 flash. Here, as we saw in the research paper, Pro is working better than Flash. So model as initialized. It is only for the previous version. Here also I'm calling the model directly, because this is our standard step that we have done in the previous videos also. Now in the my file genai.upload, you just need to give an image. Here you can see I'm giving this image. It is a thumbnail of our calculator project. Got it? I'm just giving it to the model. Upload. So it is going to upload in this model directly. So when we are accessing the model can able to access this image directly. So in the result, model.generate content, I am passing my file. Can you tell me about the image? So you can see this is the my file information. My file name equal to, it has chosen one name. Display name equal to project1.jpg. Display MIM type, it is a JPEG image. And then hash, size of the image, status equal to active, URI. So every time when you upload image, it will directly go to the model URI, generative AI language.googleapis.com files. So it is going to upload in this location, but we can't see what is there in this location. You can see we are getting this error, permission denied. Even I don't know why I'm getting this error. So let's go back to the code. So in the prompt, we are just passing this image. Got it? So let me run this. So guys, you can see I got this result. The image is advertising on tutorial or course on creating calculator project using Python, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap and Flask. Python calculator, Bootstrap, Flask. This is clearly state the topic, which is building a web-based calculator application. Technologies highlights Python, like that. So guys, exactly whatever I'm telling in this thumbnail or image, it is giving the summary of that image. See how good is this model. Got it? So we have successfully initialized the model, and then we are able to get the response from the model. So now we are going to test the model with different kind of images. Testing the model with different images. So guys, let's begin the testing. So for testing, I have taken 5 kind of images. In the first image, I'm going to pass the blurry image. In the second, I'm going to pass this dish. In the third image, I'm going to pass this formula. Fourth, table information. And fifth, a rabbit. Got it? So these all images I have taken from the Google directly, because Google have tested these images with the models. So first I'm gonna give this image path, copy path, paste it here directly. So for this I'm gonna ask, so let's see, give me the content available in the image with number count. Let's see. In the image we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. We have 13 rows. Let's see how many rows it will give. We just have to copy this content, create a markdown, paste it here. Yeah, we can see the image shows an airport departure board with following flights listed: Moscow 10:50. How many we have? 13, right? Let's count this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Yeah, so guys, you can see it has picked up the 13 flight timing names. Got it? So it is performing well here. It can able to extract the blurry image as well, and also the content within it. See how beautiful is this model. So here I will give rating 5 out of 5. It retrieved the 13 available information. So now here we are going to pass image number 2. Image 2. For the image number 2, I am asking for the blog post. Write a blog post for the given image and explain about process of making the dish. It gave a reply. Let me copy this first, paste it here. Yeah, you can see this much of content it gave. Let's go to the image. It contains rice, carrot, broccoli and chicken. Conquer your cravings with easy chicken and veggie meal prep. Easy chicken and veg meal prep. What's not to love about this recipe? So guys, you can see how good is this. Explaining clearly in a blog post. So you can directly post this image in the Instagram and you can give this text. Got it? This image also it is giving the complete blog post. Now we are going to test with this image number 3. So guys, here I have taken only the Pro model. If you want to test with Ultra and Flash, please test it out. Rewrite the formula which is present in the image. This is the formula that we have in this image. So I'm gonna ask this formula. Yeah, you can see it gave the exact formula but in a text format. bf1 equal to 15 and then bfn equal to bfn minus 1 into minus 3. Yeah, got it guys. You can see it is exactly picking up the formula also. Here also 5 out of 5. Now here we are going to give image number 4 and we are going to ask it to give it in a JSON format. Read the content in the image and give me the same content in table format with the symbol between each column and minus symbol for each row. Let's see. Internal server error. So guys, as I told you in the previous video, with this free tier you can able to give only 15 requests per minute. So here we have to wait for another minute and then we'll ask model to give the content. Got it? So let's wait for 1 minute. So guys, let's run it again. So guys, you can see after 1 minute I just rerun this program. I got this output. Got it? So here we need to copy this content and then paste here. Yeah, let me go to the image. It contains subject, status, time and start time, due on. 4 rows: mathematical, geography, physics and biology. Same subject, status, time, date, due. Mathematics, geography, physics and biology. Done 1.53. Done in progress, not started. Done in progress, not started. 12 4 12 6 12 4. For the status it gave correctly. For the time we have to verify. 1.5 30 minutes, 2 hours, 6 hours. 1.5 30 2 hours, 6 hours. Okay, correct. Start time, start date 11:29, 12 2, 12 3 and 11 2. 11:29, 12 2, 12 3, 11 2. It is also correct. And for the due on 12 1 4 5 6. Okay, 12 1 4 5 6. So exactly it is picking the information which is there in the image. Here also I will give 5 out of 5 rating to this model. So let's complete this video by testing the image number 5. It has rabbit. So here I'm gonna ask model to write a poem on this image. Write a poem about the rabbit, describing the lives of a rabbit. Copy cell output, paste it here. Yeah, we got the poem also. Personally, I like this poem. So I'll give this notebook to you. Please go through this notebook and read it what is available here. Got it, guys? So before sending you, I need to, I think, yeah, okay. You can try this workbook directly. So guys, if you like this poem, please put it on your Instagram and tag me, or else in the LinkedIn, something like that. Just share your thoughts in the LinkedIn. Put an image and then copy this poem over there and then explain how this model is give. So bye for now. See you in the next video with video project. Got it? So guys, please comment on your thoughts.